Sceptre monitor black screens are frustrating but often fixable. As of 2025, most issues stem from three main causes: power supply problems at 35%, cable connectivity issues at 28%, and graphics driver conflicts at 18%. Start with a thorough visual inspection. Check the LED power indicator on your monitor. Examine all cable connections for any visible damage, and ensure all connections are secure at both ends. The hard reset is your most effective first step, with an 85% success rate. Disconnect all cables from the monitor, then hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds while unplugged. Reconnect only the power cable and test the monitor. If the hard reset doesn't work, try power cycling. Turn off both the monitor and computer, then unplug their power cables for at least 2 minutes. This allows capacitors to fully discharge. Reconnect the monitor first, then the computer. These systematic reset procedures resolve the majority of Sceptre monitor black screen issues. Start with visual inspection, then try the hard reset with its 85% success rate, followed by power cycling if needed. When basic resets don't resolve your Sceptre monitor's black screen, advanced troubleshooting becomes necessary. The first step is systematically testing different video cables and input ports. Next, verify the monitor's functionality by testing it with different devices. Connect your monitor to a laptop, gaming console, or another computer to determine if the issue is with the monitor itself or your primary device. For newer Sceptre models with USB-C connectivity, be aware of specific issues, including power delivery conflicts and display protocol negotiation failures. These problems often occur when the USB-C connection cannot properly establish communication between devices. Windows 11 updates can sometimes cause compatibility issues, particularly with older Sceptre monitors from 2019 to 2021. These issues often affect multi-monitor setups and monitors using generic display drivers. Prevention is key to avoiding future black screen issues. Maintain an ambient temperature below 85 degrees Fahrenheit, ensure proper ventilation around your monitor, and use quality surge protectors to prevent power-related damage. Finally, perform regular factory resets via the on-screen display menu as preventive maintenance. Access your monitor's OSD menu, navigate to System Settings, and select Factory Reset. This should be done quarterly for monitors with heavy use to maintain optimal performance.